I know you love to sing. I know you love to sing and you love life. Oh my gosh, you're just singing your little heart out. So yeah, I think you start early in the morning, like 4:30. I mean, 4:30, that's pretty early to be singing, don't you think? Alright guys, that is the end of that video. If you have not subscribed, please hit that like button, that subscribe button, and the bell. The bell is very important because that is the way you'll be able to see all the future videos. So I would love to have you as part of RB the Garden Nanny, and I will see you all in the next video. Bye-bye.